really, I'm with Jody now. Don't do that, Tim. Don't let him do that. Jody. He's just gonna do it. He's completely performing. Please eat some.
It's not the blowing raspberries. It's the blowing raspberries at the table with the food that I accepted to.
I said I just joined your camp. I'm like, Mimi, stop laughing at him because he's completely performing. Little.
You're so fun. You're going on YouTube, honey.
Are you filming all this? Are you filming it all?